Hi, and welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to be talking about how to sort a list using collections.sort, and this can be used in different areas as well. And in order to learn about that, we're going to be solving this problem on the screen. So given a matrix n by n, where each of the rows and columns are sorted in ascending order, return the kth smallest element in the matrix. Note that is the kth smallest element in the sorted order and not the kth distinct element. So for example, you can see here, once we sort this matrix like this is clearly the 8th number. So in order to do this, what we're first going to do is I'm going to create a list. And I'm just gonna say that int n is equal to matrix.length, just so that's a little bit easier for us. And let's just iterate through the matrix. And then we'll just do list.add matrix of I of j. But the next step we need to do, as you can see in the problem, is sort this array. So, or this list, excuse me. So how are we supposed to do that? So as you can see here, this is the function for how to sort a list. So first we call this here, we call collections, and we do dot sort because we want to sort this collection, and collection is the library, and we just pass in the list. So this is what we're going to be using because we can just easily sort the list. But I also know that in a previous video of mine, I used the second one over here. So let's talk about that too. So sometimes you want to specify how you want to sort the list. So maybe you want to do it in descending order, like reverse order. Or maybe you want to, if you have a if you pass in an array, that's what the list is for, then it's a little bit hard to sort in ascending order. So you might want to customize how your collections.sort works. So in order to do that, you pass in the second parameter here, and you do comparing, and then what you'd like. So for example, you can see here that I do a is equal to a dot value, which means that it will be sorting if this is an entry set. So if this is two integers, it will sort on the value. So as you can see, there's a little typo here. There should be one more parenthesis, but this is the overall function. So let's bring it back to our problem and try it out. So now that we're back in our problem, what we can do is that we can do collections.sort list. And this is fairly simple because now we just want to sort the list that's passed in. And we can return list.get k-1 because what we want to do is that after we sort this array, we want to get the kth element, k being the first index, and because these are zero-based index, you want to subtract 1. So let's test this program out. So now I just added the example that we saw in the notepad, and let's see whether it prints 13. So as you can see, it prints 13, which is perfect because that's our answer. So I hope from this video you learned how to solve this basic problem with collections.sort, and will be able to use collections.sort in the future. See you soon!